Welcome, today with DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store here, and right there on the search pull tap the Ampere. So now we have to get this application, so tap to install, and wait a few seconds while the application installing. Now just open the application. Here click yes, I agree, tap to close, and on the down right corner just tap to OK. And as can you see right now, we can see that the health of your battery is good. Okay, so that's it. You can find also more information from your phone, from the battery of your phone. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.